Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by narrowing down where the remote could be and why it vanished. First, check the most likely spots, between couch cushions, under furniture, and pockets, because soft gaps hide small devices. Once done, press any button to listen for the faint click. The remote emits tactile feedback that reveals its presence. Make sure to switch off ambient noise and dim lights to spot reflections and shadows. You're reducing search variables so you can find it faster. You now adopt a methodical sweep to cover areas efficiently. Start moving cushions and furniture in one direction and scan in 1-meter grids so you don't miss zones. This eliminates random checking. Use a flashlight held low and at an angle because small plastic edges reflect light, making the remote pop. Then check uncommon spots, bags, coat pockets, laundry, and behind appliances, because objects often migrate during cleaning or when carried. Once found, retrace how it got there to prevent repeats. You finish by confirming functionality and ruling out battery or pairing issues. First, if the remote is hidden or weak, try the Apple TV pairing command to see if the device responds. This proves it's nearby even if unseen. If it still fails, replace or reseat the battery. Many Apple remotes use thin coin cells, and test again because low power often mimics loss. If problems persist, use another remote or the remote app as a workaround. If that works, narrow your search to the last active room.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.